Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a tail light bulb on a Mitsubishi Galant. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. You'll need a new replacement bulb, typically a number 315/7, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Open your trunk to begin, as the tail light assembly is accessed from inside. Next, you'll need to remove the tail light assembly. There are usually 2 or 3 Phillips head screws holding it in place. Carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight back from the vehicle. Be mindful of the electrical connector, which you'll need to disconnect by pressing its release tab. Now that the assembly is free, it's time to replace the bulb. Identify the specific bulb that is out. It will be housed in a socket. Twist the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it back into the vehicle body. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws, tightening them securely but not excessively. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new tail light bulb is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.